So today, working on the pallet wall, I've found and come to the conclusion that power tools are the best way to get pallets apart. Crowbars don't work, you break them. Every single board you break with a crowbar. So what I've been doing is I've been taking my Sawzall with a metal blade and sticking it right here between the 2x4 and that piece of wood, and I'll just go and cut those nails. And I'll go down one side, flip it over, go down the other side, and then I'll do the middle, and then those pieces of wood just come right off. You don't break any of them, or rarely. You don't cut any of the wood. You can fit your blade in between the pieces of wood and you just snip them off. And those nails are really weak, so they cut really easy. It's a lot better than the crowbar for sure. I think I've only broken, those are the ones I've broken, but those were already broken. And then what I've been doing is I've been taking out one nail and then replacing it with the screw. So I'll just punch out a nail, replace it with a screw, and so then when you put it on the wall, you can't really tell there's extra holes. Yeah, it's coming along nicely. This is a big wall that I'm doing, as you can see. So it's gonna take a little while, but I got a nice stack of pallets over there. So yep, just cut them with the Sawzall, throw a screw in them, put them up. So I'm gonna try to get a video of me taking the Sawzall to this pallet and see how this goes. Just like that. With two hands it's a little easier because you put more pressure on it. But you just snip those away like that.